Hi there, it's Miss Cheryl, and we are going to do some addition together that's going to have regrouping, and we're going to use our place value tiles. So what you can do is get these ready, have all four set out in stacks, and then when you have that ready, restart the video and I'll show you the first equation that we'll work on together. All right, here is our first equation. Let's read the first add-in together. We're going to start with number 51. And if you have this paper still, you can find it and just look at that. Or you can look at mine. So we have 3,700, 110, oh, and 0 ones. Just 110. All right. And then our second quantity that we're making is 2,700, 410, 8. So you can pause the video if you don't have the paper and look at this while you make your quantity, and I will make mine too. Okay, so I made my quantities. Let's see if ours look the same. So I have 3,000, 5 and 2, 100, 700, 110, and 0 ones. You can pause the video if you need to make any changes to your first quantity. If not, we can start our second quantity that we are going to add. So we have 2,000, 700, oh look, both of them have 700, 410, and 8 ones. Let's make this so you can see that. 8 ones. There we go. So now we are ready to find out what our sum is. So let's start with the ones because we always start on the right with our smallest category. So we're going to have 0 ones and we're going to add 8 to it. So what does that give us? It's still 8. So here in the ones place, we're going to write 8. 8 ones. Now let's do our tens category. So here we had 1, and we're adding 4. I'm going to put this one right on top, and now we have a 5 pyramid of 10. So that's 5 tens. So in the tens place, we're going to put a 5. It's not just 5. We know that when it's right here in this column, we know that means it's 5 tens. Just like if it were 5 10 bars. Okay, let's look at our hundreds. Oh boy, what do we get to do here? I see 500 and 500. And then these are extras. I'm going to put these extras down here. So we have 10 hundreds because we have 2 5 pyramids. So we can trade 10 hundreds for 1,000 because it's the same amount. 10 hundred squares is the same amount as 1,000 cube. So our 10 hundreds, gently stack those up, is the same as 1,000. So we'll add our extra 1,000 here. We'll put it on top here. We regrouped. And then we need to know. So what did we add? We added 1 more 1,000. We regrouped. So we're going to note that now we have 1 more 1,000. And now we can see how many hundreds we have after regrouping. And we can subitize this. How many is it? How many hundreds do we have? 4 hundreds. So here in the hundreds place, we're going to put 4. Okay, so we have 1,000 up here. Let's see how many thousands we have all together. So here's the one that we got from regrouping our extra hundreds. Then we have 3,000 and 2,000. I'm going to join these, 5 and 1. And we know that 5,000, 1,000 is 6,000. 6,000. All right, so we have it. Our sum is 6,400, 5, 10, 8. We only had to regroup one time. So what you can do now is clean up these cards, and I have one more for us to do today, and it's a little bit crazy. So when you have your tiles cleaned up, restart your video.